In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export a ClickUp doc as a PDF. If you need to save a document for sharing, printing, or keeping an offline copy, ClickUp makes the process very straightforward. I'll walk you through it clearly so you can follow along without any confusion. To begin, open ClickUp and go to the doc you want to export. Make sure you're inside the correct document before moving on, especially if you manage multiple docs or workspaces. Taking a quick moment to confirm that you have the right file open can help you avoid exporting the wrong content. Once the doc is open, look to the upper right corner of the screen and click the three-dot menu. This menu contains additional options for managing your document, including export settings. From that menu, select Export. This will open the available export choices for your ClickUp doc. Since the goal here is to create a PDF version, choose PDF from the list of export formats. PDF is a great option when you want your formatting to stay consistent across different devices and when you need a file that's easy to share with others. After selecting PDF, ClickUp will prompt you to choose the doc pages you want to include. This is especially helpful if your document contains multiple pages and you only want to export specific sections instead of the entire doc. Review your selection carefully so the final file includes exactly what you need. When you've selected the pages you want, click Export. At this point, ClickUp will begin generating the PDF file for you. Depending on the size of the document and the number of pages included, this may take a few moments, so just give it a little time to finish processing. Once the PDF is ready, download the file to your device. After it's saved, you can open it to check that everything exported correctly. It's always a good idea to quickly review the PDF to make sure all the intended pages are included and that the formatting looks the way you expect. And that's it. You've successfully exported a ClickUp doc as a PDF. This is a simple but useful feature when you need a polished version of your document for clients, teammates, presentations, or personal records. Thanks for watching.